Can you change your review on Etsy? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video we are going to be discussing whether or not it is possible to change our review on Etsy. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're talking about whether you can change your review on Etsy, yes, you can actually absolutely do that. But keep in mind that you can do this for 100 days until the review period is actually going on. After that you will not be able to change it. So just go to etsy.com website and then sign into your account. Then you have to click on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the profile icon from the top right, here you'll find the option called purchases and reviews. All you need to do is just click on the purchases and reviews section. Basically, when you go to purchases, you'll be able to find all of the purchases that you've made, and if you've made any purchases, you'll also be able to find your review right next to it. And you can click on the edit button next to the review button in order to go ahead and then basically edit your star rating as well as the written note, the pictures that you've actually made for that review, and everything else. So hope this video helped to answer the question as to how you can edit your reviews on Etsy. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.